Welcome to this tutorial on how to use eToro for cryptocurrency trading. eToro is a popular online platform that allows users to buy and sell various assets including cryptocurrencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the eToro website or mobile app. First, navigate to the eToro website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name and email address. You will also need to verify your account by providing identification documents. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds using a variety of payment methods including credit cards and bank transfers. The minimum deposit amount is typically around $50. To start trading cryptocurrencies on eToro, you will need to navigate to the Markets section of the platform. Here you can browse through a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can also use the search function to find a specific cryptocurrency. When you find a cryptocurrency you are interested in, you can click on it to view more information. This will take you to a page that provides detailed information about the cryptocurrency including its current price and trading volume. To place a trade, you will need to click on the Trade button. You will then be asked to specify the amount of money you want to invest and the type of trade you want to place. You can choose to buy or sell a cryptocurrency, and you can also set a stop loss and take profit levels. eToro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to automatically copy the trades of other users. This can be a useful tool for beginners who are new to cryptocurrency trading. It is also important to note that cryptocurrency trading involves risks and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also a good idea to do your own research and set a budget before you start trading. In conclusion, using eToro for cryptocurrency trading is relatively straightforward. By following these steps, you can create an account, deposit funds, and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.